Good evening, students. Today we will start with the lesson electromagnetism. As the name suggests, electro means electricity, magnetism means magnet. So we are going to study about the combined effect of electricity as well as a magnet. That is known as electromagnetism. The electromagnetism came into picture by an accidentally performed experiment by Oersted. Hans Oersted in 1820. He was a scientist and he was doing certain experiments in his lab in which there was a circuit, and nearby there was a compass needle kept, and he just noticed that the moment he used to flow current through the circuit, the magnetic compass changed directions. There was a deflection in the needle. So first he thought that it was just by chance, but then again he saw the moment he would switch on the current in the circuit, the needle would shake, it would deflect. Then he performed special experiments to do the certain findings and find out the relation between electricity and magnetism. Now you see here there are figures. The first circuit A, okay, there is a rheostat, there is a key, that is switch, and a wire is there. There's a magnetic compass. Now magnetic compass is kept below the wire. It is not connected in the circuit. Okay. Circuit consists of only battery, rheostat, key. That's all. And wire के नीचे compass रखा हुआ है below the wire. Okay. And the key is open. मतलब अभी current pass नहीं हो रहा है. Key is off. So you see that he saw that the needle is in the normal north-south position, zero deflection. Then when second figure B, you see he closed the key and he saw that the needle deflected. Now you can see from A and B, the needle is deflected. Why? Because the current is flowing. Then what he did, he then changed the polarity. Now see in B, see the battery plus and minus, and see in C plus and minus. What is plus? Now their minus has come, and where is minus? Their plus has come. We say that this is changing the polarity of the cell. We have changed the polarity of the cell. So that time also he saw that the needle got deflected, but now it got deflected in opposite direction. You see in figure B, it went to the right side. In figure C, you see that it went to the left side. So since current was flowing, there is a deflection. And that too when the polarity changed means direction of the current changed. So direction of deflection also changed. Now see the figure D. Now what he did, instead of keeping the magnetic compass below the wire, he kept it on the top of the wire. And then he switched on. Then also he saw that there was deflection. But now the deflection, you just compare. Now let us see how are the magnetic field lines. Suppose we are having a straight wire and current is passing through that. Okay, there is a straight wire and current is passing through that. Just now we saw by Oersted's experiment that when current passes through a conductor, it deflects the magnetic needle. It means that magnetic field is created around the wire. Now how it is created, where it is created, what is the direction, what is the pattern, that we can see by this particular experiment. Look at the figure. There is a cardboard. Can you see cardboard? There is a cardboard, or cardboard mein we have made a hole, and from that hole we are passing this wire. Now this wire is our conductor through which the current is passing. So we took a cardboard, a rectangular cardboard, we made a hole in the middle, we passed our wire from that, we connected the wire to the switch, to the rheostat. There is an ammeter to measure the current also. And on the cardboard you can see that there is a compass, magnetic needle compass. Now what you have to do, you have to take iron filings. Iron filings means iron ka chura, powdered iron, and you have to sprinkle it on the cardboard anyhow. ऐसे just sprinkle कर दो. The moment you pass the current through this, these particles get themselves arranged in this concentric circles. In this design, all the iron filings are going to get arranged. And when you keep the compass needle, wherever it points in the north-south direction, that is the direction of the magnetic field. Magnetic needle will give you the direction of the magnetic field. The magnetic field is going like this, round and round. Okay, current is flowing through the wire, and these are magnetic field lines. Clear? So when there is a straight current carrying conductor, then in concentric circles the magnetic fields lie. Now here, what are our conclusions of this experiment? The first thing is that the magnetic field lines that are formed, they are concentric circles around the wire. You know what are concentric circles? The circles which have the same center but different radii. And their plane is perpendicular to the straight wire and with their centers lying on the wire. All the circles have their center on the wire. That hole through which the wire is passing, that point is the center. And their plane is perpendicular to the straight wire, because the cardboard is what? Where the circle is formed on the cardboard, and the cardboard is perpendicular to the wire. Next, the direction of the current in the wire is reversed. It is seen that the pattern of iron filings do not change, but the direction of deflection of the compass needle is reversed. That is, now you can see the arrows, black arrows for every circle, and even the compass is showing the north-south direction in that way. So this is the direction of the magnetic field. But if you reverse the polarity, that is plus minus, I taught you in the earlier how to reverse the polarity. Plus को minus कर दो, minus में plus का connection डाल दो. So if you reverse the polarity over here, again you will find that these iron filings are in concentric circles only. But your magnetic needle will now show